When you open your Binance application, you probably see something like this. I generally don't use Binance anymore. I used to, but not anymore. And as you see, I have a small balance here. It's actually only Solana. I think the best, let's say, cryptocurrency to convert to high-tech is Solana because it's on Solana network. So you go to wallet, and if you haven't created one, you will see something like this or something similar. So I click create keyless wallet, and it is creating the wallet for me. It asks me to authenticate. Start to explore. Later go to trade. Here you can change to Solana network. Solana. Add funds. Transfer from Binance Exchange. This one I'm gonna ignore. Max transfer. I send it to myself. Type this one. Confirm. Again, authentication. Go to Binance Wallet. And now, as you see, I received 0.11 of Solana with small change, so I can go to trade again. On top I have Solana, so I want to exchange Solana for something, so here I pick h173k, this one here, and I choose how much Solana I want to spend. I will actually give it 0.05 because I want to leave a little bit of Solana for later, for the next tutorial. So yeah, once you have it like this, the top one is the currency you spend, the bottom one is the currency you get. So you click swap. You acknowledge, you confirm, and that's how you get it. Now when you go to assets, you will see that you have high-tech token Solana, the rest I left, and high-tech token, as you see. So simple as that. And from here you can of course send it, you can click it, you can send it. I agree. To whichever Solana address you paste, which can be the address of high-tech wallet, and that's it. And then you send it, and your high-tech wallet will have high-tech token. I also recommend, of course, to send a little bit of Solana, like 0.01 of Solana for the start, because since high-tech wallet operates on Solana network, so it needs Solana, And once you load it up with that amount of Solana, the rest will just work automatically. So it's quite simple.